For me, it's going to be a skills experience. So not only the competition, but also the conference, which we know, but a very much revitalised expo that's going to attract lots of people.
Shanghai, and by extension China, is able to do is that you guys strive for excellence. Everything you do has to be done better than everybody else. So I know that WorldSkills Shanghai is going to be the best skills competition event.
I really appreciate that China is taking very serious this. So this is going to be a huge event, and therefore vocational education is going to be on the top of the agenda at the worldwide.
The packages that was presented, where flexibility is much more in terms of the number of days one can choose to be at a competition. The price is quite fantastic.
I also know that there are the Museum of WorldSkills in Shanghai, which is also very big and very magnificent. So I'm looking forward to be there as soon as possible.
It gives the message to young people that you can actually have a say in how you prepare your own future. If you take the opportunity, if you learn your skills, if you're willing to put yourself out there, you cannot have the world, but you can have a prosperous future.
Usually we have 7 skills, like previously, and for Shanghai we are adding 3 more.
We will participate in a total of 16 skills categories.
We have 35 skills and 39 competitors, our biggest team for a long time. So we're very excited, and we're in a lot of new skills too.
Now, I've never been to Shanghai, but I can see from the video that you showed us, it's an amazing city. So I'm quite curious to see it. I really like Chinese food also, at least the food that we taste in Portugal.
I always wanted to go to Shanghai, so this is the chance. I know that Silk Way is going through China and through Azerbaijan as well. So this is another connection between our countries.
Hello, Shanghai!
Hola, Shanghai!
Bueno, Shanghai.
Shanghai, Samano.
Hello, hi Shanghai!
Olá, Shanghai!
Salam Shanghai!